everyone, how are you today? Today's theme, this beautiful red lily. Okay, who wants to wear red today? It's Friday and I'm going to create a fun eye look tutorial with all my reds. And here are the swatches. All muted reds, and I'm going to pair that with a lime green because of this beautiful lime green and shades of red. So pretty happy I found this flower. It was lying on the ground and I picked it up. I brought it, and today this is going to be my inspiration. All right, keeping this flower right next to me because I love that. Okay, let's get started with all reds. Pretty happy. You know why? Because red is my favorite color, and today I get to play with reds. Starting with my lightest shade of muted red. How many reds do you have in your collection? Find your reds today. Go check your color palettes and check for reds. Red lily. What's your favorite flower? You can tell me that on the comment section. My favorite flower is red rose, but I like all the flowers, and lilies are blooming, and every day I find something new, something different in my backyard, in my garden. So today I am inspired by beautiful red lily. Building it up little by little. Next I'm going to take this shade, which is, I'm going light to dark. No, actually not. This is the lightest shade, and this is the second lightest shade, and this is the darkest shade in my collection, which I'm going to use on my crease area. I'm quite experimental with my colors, and especially on Fridays I get extra experimental with my colors. What are you going to wear on your eyes today? I'm starting with my second lightest shade of red here and building it up. I want all the shades of red to show, layering, blending, patting, and mixing all the shades together. Look at that. My reference flower is right here next to me, okay? So I can always look at that and get more inspired and pat more colors. I think this look is going to be very wearable and very beautiful at the same time because it is, muted red. I like bright pops, but I'm kind of liking this beautiful sultry eyes. Smallest brush and blending here on my transition area, crease area, that, to give it a nice edgy look. Okay, and taking it towards my inner corners as well. Okay, and again a nice petal shaped look, Right, now it's time to apply the lime green shade on the innermost corners of my eyelids. Look at that. A hint of lime green. I'm making an arrow shape here, overlapping that red a little bit, concentrating on the innermost corner and bringing it up and connecting it with that red. I think on Fridays I get extra creative. If you have yellow, if you have lime green or grassy green, any shade of green I think will work here in this look. I need to build up this green a lot. All shades are matte today, no shimmer. Okay, a little bit of blending, and then we'll see if we need more color, and we'll do our little adjustments here and there. How about that? I think I'm going to take my patting brush now, because I really want that green to pop a little bit more. Pat the color until you are satisfied. Alright, and now I'm going to take that second lightest shade of my collection, and I'm going to take that again with my patting brush, taking that red on my patting brush and concentrating right here on the center part of my lid. All reds. It is very nice to see all reds on my eyes. Really nice. When you go out for a walk in nature, do you get inspired by colors? It is actually going to be my second layer of colors, and as I say, pat it, blend it, build it, and dab the colors as long as you want to achieve that look. Right? Quite close. Taking my blending brush, I'm going to go for the lightest shade again so that I can see the transition a little better here. Love that shade. It comes down to feeling for me. I mean, if I feel it that yeah, this is it, and this is the point where I want to stop using that color, I will follow that. Look at that beautiful transition shade. Now I'm going to take the darkest shade of red, this one, and I will concentrate on the outermost corner, making an arrow. All the colors are, blended into each other, so which one is the lightest and which one is the darkest, you can hardly say that, but I don't mind it because that's what I want. I want to see the shades of red, all the reds together. Look at that. Pretty close? I think so. Now a little bit of cleanup. I'm going to start with my lower lash line as well. Can't wait to see the effect on the lower lash line as well, and I'm really thrilled. Starting with this middle shade, grab all the reds you have in your collection, from light to dark will work. Sometimes when I have fallout, I actually start using my fingers to clean it up, and then I realize no, that is not a good idea. Taking the second lightest shade, tap off the excess, my friends. Do you like these kind of looks? I mean, all shades of one color. I do not have enough place to incorporate that lightest red, but I'm going to use it anyways because it is okay to overlap. Actually, I'm going to use a sponge tip which has no color on it, and just give it a nice smudgy edgy look. How about using that sponge tip again, huh? Not bad. Good. Good work, sponge tip. I want this green to pop a little better, Do you have any good suggestions of grassy green shade, lime green shade, which pops a little better, and also a matte shade? Because as a nature lover, when I get inspiration from nature, I usually see that I need more green and more yellow. I'm trying to build it. Got to work better, please. Yeah, see the green. Okay, now I'm going to line my eyes, curl my lashes, apply a couple of coats of mascara, and then I'll join you for the finished look. Okay, hope you like this look so far, and why don't you go and check your own makeup collection and grab the red colors in your makeup collection. Okay, my friends, I'm back. As you can see, I have lined my eyes, curled my lashes, applied a couple of coats of mascara, and I went really long again with my wing liner. So I'm kind of enjoying this wing liner a lot. So I'm not connecting this wing liner with my lower lash line liner, and I'm leaving it right there like that. Okay, so this is my Friday look, and I'm pretty happy with my reds. You go ahead, search for your reds and try this look and let me know about your makeup experiences. Okay, and as you all know that you are welcome to Soma's Makeup Diary to watch fun makeup tutorials every single day. Tomorrow will be another new day, another new look, another fun makeup tutorial for you. Okay, so come back soon, my friends. I'll be waiting for you, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, I think I have achieved this look. Going to rock this look today, and thanks to this beautiful flower. I love flowers. I am absolutely loving this look. I hope you will enjoy this look. Rock the day and play with colors. Have fun. Have a great weekend. See you soon. Bye.